Um, Hello, Cardano Catalyst community. Today is the project closeout report of the project in Fund 9, number 900086. And the challenge is Fund 9, dRep improvement and onboarding. The project name is dRep tool for non-English speakers, and is the proposal link in the file. And the report was made by the ProScube 39 team on the end of September. So here's the information of the project. And I'm Bắc Nguyễn, is the marketing lead of the project. So the project started in January this year, and we completed it by the end of this year. So here is the list of KPI from the auditability, what is a set look like, and the detailed KPI of the projects. So here's the link that we copy directly from the idea scale links here. So we copy it on of the KPI here in the auditability, and in the auditability part. So it had a score of 500 downloads from the tool at the trial phase, and also we get the score of the dRep, or the because dRep is not implemented yet in Fund 10. So 50% of the downloaders are satisfied with the usage and feasibility through the survey. And also we got the obtain the comments of the downloaders in terms of the wish to translate the tool into other languages. So here's the detailed information. So here is when we launched the tool. So we launched the tool in the Telegram community in English, Vietnamese, and Japanese. And here's on the right hand side is the tool, is on the Excel file. So when you click on the link here, so it's in the tool. So we because the rep is not implemented in Fund 10 yet, so we gonna do all of the data information, and we call it rep master sheet, and we say potentially piloted in Fund 11. So we also cooperate with Tiger View team to deliver this. And here's the instruction of the file. Let me open it a bit larger. Yeah, so you can see this is the intro and the language availability, and also the instruction of the sheet. Also at the end, we also give the users the right to download the file offline if they fill in the satisfactory survey. So here's the tool. As you can see, it has 3 languages, the same format in English, in Vietnamese, and in Japanese. Yeah. So the tool here is, so we have all the information about the challenge, the proposal name, the proposer, also the idea scale link, hyperlink, the budget requested, and the summary of the proposal from directly from idea scale. So it's gonna be a short summary in 300 words here. Also the aggregated CR score after the level 2 moderation phase. So we got all the information from the Catalyst team API, the database, and right after that we do one of the information to complete the tool. We also demonstrate it into the score into the bar scale like this for each of the criteria, for impact, for feasibility, and for value for money here. Also so the special of the tool is that we have the summary proposals, a short summary, and also we summarize all of the reviews from all of the CI level 1, 0, and 2 here. So we group it into two parts: the positive review and negative reviews of all of the valid reviews. So if the reps or the voters click here, they can quickly scan about the proposal. What's the positive review in terms of impact, in terms of feasibility, and in terms of value for money, and also the score respectively. Moreover, if they want to deep dive into it, they can click into here and they type a link into the ID scale link of the proposal. And if they click here, they also can view of the past database, the history of the proposer. So all of the information is here. You see the hyperlink. For example, this is Patrick Poplar, and also the relevant project. Yeah, sorry, I did scale load a little bit slow, but you can see it here. Okay, so we did tool, and in order to use the tool, this is only the view. We only give them the view. The user, the first initial user, the view right. So if they want to download it and to use it offline for their own purposes, so they need to fill in the survey here. In order to download it, they need to click here, and they need to do of the satisfactory survey. So we ask them the satisfactory level. Whether they want to use it offline. Mostly when they decided to do the survey, usually they choose yes. Mostly the majority of them, and also they need to input the email, and also what of the other languages that they want the rep tool to be translated for further funds. So we have English, Vietnamese, and Japanese, but we can translate it into other languages in the upcoming funds. And then this is not optional. They can share their feedbacks or any note for us. So we really appreciate it if they do this, and after they complete the survey. So we'll send them a file, the same master sheet, but we name it like public tool with the full commented rights, and they can download it, apply for their users, for their own users. Yeah, so this is the link of the tool, and also the link of the satisfactory survey that you can use. And so here's the result. I highlighted in blue, and with the highlighter in the background is yellow for easy of visible, for easily visible. So we get totally 521 downloaders that people fill in the survey and they want to download it offline. So as I say, because the rep is not yet implemented, so mostly we look at the downloader. So we got the second KPI is like 50% of the downloaders are satisfied. So we achieve also, we get 81% in the scale of 5. So 45 of them very satisfied, and 36 of them somewhat satisfied. And also the last KPI is that we obtain about the comments of also downloaders, because the rep is not yet ready in front end. So 50% of downloaders want the tool to be translated in their own languages, the native languages. So we get like 54% is over of the 50% KPI. So here is the detailed survey of the link and also the results of the survey, and the tool we already shared. So here's some of the snapshot of the results. So as you can see, so from the data, from the table data of the result below of the responses. So we make a copy and we do some of the pivot to summarize the results. So as a result, you can see like 521 respondents that people did the survey. So out of that, here on the screen, you can see. Let me annotate it. So here, so out of them, all of them answer yes that they want to download the file offline. So get 100% here. And then as I mentioned, satisfactory level. So 81% of downloaders, they very satisfied or somewhat satisfied. And you can see in the pivot here. Yeah. So 36 of them somewhat satisfied, so 36%, and 45% of them very satisfied. So the 2% not really satisfied, and 16% neutral. Yeah. Okay. Next slide. Let me start the annotate. Okay. And in terms of other languages, let me erase it. Okay. In terms of other languages, so we got so we asked them whether they want the tool to be translated into their own native languages. So 239 respondents choose not to answer. They leave this answer blank, or because it is the not optional answer, so they can leave a blank here. It means that they don't need to it to be translated into other languages. The remain is 54% of them want to change it into their respective languages. So you can see on the screen. This column is the absolute, and the final column is the percentage. So out of the 54% that choose to wish the dRep tool to be translated into other languages, so the main language requested is the main requested language is Korean, and then the second next is China or Chinese. As you can see in the screen, around 20%, 22, and 16% of them want to be translated into Korean and Chinese. So what's the learning, and what's the next step after we finish the dRep tool? The key learning is that we have a very neat timeline that the whole team need to do a lot of work to after the CR level 2, the moderation phase. We only have like 5 or 7 day maximum, so that we need to do all of the mapping data, and then we send out to the community to use, because the dRep is not yet implemented in the front end. So we share for the voters community, and they have 7 days left. So like the voting periods already passed 7 days, so they have only 7 days left remain for voting. So we need to do it even faster in Fund 11, and so that we can give like sufficient information for the dRep. Or even better, it can be it can be synced into the module of the Project Catalyst website, the new one, projectcatalyst.io. In order to do that, we need to sync better with the Catalyst team for the API database, and also we get all of the reviews as fast as possible to sync into the tool. Yes, I mentioned like the tool can be directly sync with the module of the project Catalyst, and also like it can be translated into multiple languages. Using the power of AI, and some of the manual work to fine tune the translation. So it can be in Vietnamese, Japanese, Korean, and Chinese upcoming funds. And the final thoughts, we're also looking forward for the rep and the CIP 1694 for the Fund 11, and also the rep stated in Fund 11. At the end of this fund, because the rep not yet implemented, but we believe that this already have some of the voters and also the proposer to see the reviews from the community, and upcoming potentially to support the rep in Fund 11, if the rep of course like will be implemented in Fund 11, or even like Fund 12 for upcoming fund. Okay, thank you so much. And so for listening us until here, and we're really thankful for giving us the chance to serve the community for the Fund 10, the tool to give the community, and we're looking forward to see the checkup from the Catalyst team for the close-up report. Thanks so much. Bye bye.